Hello everyone. Thank you for your patience. Today, we'll delve into the reasons why Japanese high school baseball players shave their heads. We'll provide a detailed explanation about the significance behind this tradition, and shed light on the underlying philosophy of Japan's baseball culture and tradition. 1. Strengthening team unity. Japanese high school baseball emphasizes not only individual player skills, but also teamwork and cooperation. By adopting the practice of shaving their heads, players eliminate visual differences and foster a sense of pride in being team members. This unity reinforces the commitment to prioritize team success over individual achievements. 2. Symbolizing humility and discipline. The clean-shaven heads symbolize humility and discipline in Japanese culture. High school baseball extends beyond being just a sport, offering educational aspects. Shaving the head curtails personal expression and accentuates values like cooperation and respect. The act encourages players to embrace an attitude of humility and reverence. 3. Expressing effort and focus. High school baseball revolves around players growing through rigorous practice and effort, aiming for success in matches. Shaving heads creates visual uniformity, putting emphasis on individual players' efforts and focus. This external consistency prompts players to display their commitment and concentration as actual skills. The standardized appearance motivates players to evolve without comparing themselves to others. 4. Coping with pressure. High school baseball garners significant attention in Japanese society. Large audiences gather for regional and national tournaments. Players often face pressure and high expectations. Shaving heads simplifies their appearance, minimizing personal elements. This simplification assists players in coping with external pressure and attention. 5. Preserving history and tradition. Japanese high school baseball boasts a rich history, dating back to 1903, and is rooted in tradition. Shaving heads is part of preserving the traditional sports culture and passing it down to future generations. The tradition has been carried forward by generations of players who have embraced the clean-shaven look. We hope you found this information insightful. We've provided a comprehensive understanding of the reasons behind the tradition of shaving heads for Japanese high school baseball players. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We're excited to bring you more intriguing topics in the future, so stay tuned.